I made slime only need cornstarch and conditioner. If it's chunky, you need more conditioner.
All you need conditioner and cornstarch, but my friend, I don't think she has slime anymore. She got in trouble because I don't know how she got in trouble because her brother got slime on the wall, but I don't know how she got in trouble for that. It's going to just may dry out. Not if it won't if you keep it in a bag. It won't. And it might come like so. Like you have a hard time getting it off something. Like just start rolling like this. So come off. That is so satisfying. Cornstarch and conditioner. It might be messy, but it's the easiest slime recipe you may have in your house. So yeah. Bye.